Want to change your name in Los Angeles County but worried about the fee? Well, there's good news. You may qualify for a waiver fee. First, fill out the name change forms. Start with the petition for change of name. Form NC 100 and NC 110 if needed. Then complete the order to show cause form NC 120. You can get these at your courthouse or online at lacourt.org. Next, apply for a fee waiver. If you can't afford the $435 filing fee, fill out Form FW001 and Form FW150. These forms ask about your income to determine if you qualify. Now, submit your forms to the courthouse clerk. If your fee waiver is approved, you won't pay the filing fee. After that, you need to publish your name change. California law requires you to publish the order to show cause in a newspaper once a week for 4 weeks. Our rate to publish any legal notice is $250. Currently, we have an internet 50% off special, $125 for the complete service, including 4 newspaper ads and a proof of publication. And the best part is no lawyer required. Visit the LA Superior Court website for forms and then head on over to canyon-news.com for help publishing. Good luck!